In our video on how to disassemble your airbrush, I told you that you should always work from the back and work your way forward. The reason for this is so that you always protect your nozzle. If, in this case, we're dealing with a nozzle that broke off inside the airbrush gun, most likely this is from somebody using the wrench and twisting it too far, causing it to snap off. If this happens to you, no worries. All you need to do is take your needle, point it tip down. You're going to insert this into the tip of the gun, and you just want to start twisting in the opposite direction so that the screw latches on and begins unwinding from inside the case. As you can see, it's a very tiny piece, and from there we'll just remove that. Now we're going to take a new fresh nozzle and just replace that to the tip. Insert that in and give it a small twist to make sure it's slightly attached, and then you're going to grab your wrench again and make sure you're lining up your straight edges, and then just give it a soft twist clockwise until you feel it tightened. Once it's tightened, you have a brand new nozzle and your airbrush gun will work perfectly new. So if you guys find yourself in a situation where you have a hooked needle, something that looks like this, all you have to do is replace that with a fresh needle. We're going to place the needle slowly back into our gun, making sure that we don't bend the tip again. Close it off with our needle chucking nut. Twist that on until it's nice and tight. And then take your tail cap and just re-twist that on. Brand new, fresh gun, all set. If you find that the needle is fine and it's not hooked at all, the next step would be to remove the needle cap and make sure you clean out any leftover residue using 99% alcohol. So if you're on the job and your airbrush gun isn't spraying thoroughly, you don't need to do a full disassembly. I'm going to show you how to do a quick clean. Start by taking off your tail cap. Then all you need to do is just loosen your needle chucking nut slightly. And then you're going to pour a little bit of 99% alcohol into the tip and just pull your needle out a couple times. Once you've done that, be sure to tighten your needle chucking nut again. Replace your tail cap, twist that all the way on, make sure it's nice and tight. Now go ahead and give it a nice spray and make sure that the air is flowing through here.